Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how we can protect our Google account by two-step verifications. Let's start now. First of all, open your Google account and click on the manage your Google accounts. Here click on the security. There is an option two-step verification. You can see that my two-step verifications is off. Now you can turn it on. Click on it. Get started. Here he is asking about the password. Please enter the password. Go next. Now continue. He is asking here the phone number. You can enter any phone number to receive the text message or for phone call for its two-step verifications. Here you can also use any other backup option, that is use another backup option. Here next, now turn it on. You can see that I have received this message of two-step verifications. Now I open the Gmail account. You can see that two-step verification has been on my Google account. Thank you.